Hey, good morning everybody. This is John again from Volkswagen Planet, and today I want to make a special video or a special thank you to a great guy who came over yesterday. He traveled over 100 miles to come help us out here at Volkswagen Planet. Like I said, I want to give a special thanks to Gary from Vwjawbreaker, and I wanted to show you what he did and came down here to help me in my time of need, to help me get my Beetles back on the road. So let's go ahead and take a small little tour, and we'll make a quick video. This right here is the 1972 Super Beetle, and you guys may know this as the Street Beater. And like I said, I haven't had a chance to do a lot of videos on this and get this back on the road. So he reached out to me and offered to help me get this thing back on the road. So like I said, I'm going to give you guys a quick little tour of what we did. Spent several hours down here, hung out, met a great guy, and let me show you what we did. So, wasn't very much, cosmetically on the outside. I'm just giving you guys a quick walk around. Nothing's really changed over the last couple months on the outside, except for one thing. You guys may remember that the deck lid just came right off, and it was actually on backward, or not backwards, but it just wasn't complete. So Gary helped me put the springs, and we got the deck lid on correct. And if you guys realize, there's an engine in this thing now. Again, he helped me out. He actually assembled the whole entire thing. Like I said, I just can't say thank you enough. If you guys followed my videos in the past, this car was an auto stick, so he actually cut that corner out, and you will see in the future videos where that patch panel went. Make sure you guys stay tuned. It's going to be a great series, I think, or maybe not a series, but maybe just a couple videos in general. Like I said, just stay tuned for that. The biggest pain in the butt, we did get the pedal clusters back and installed. This was a pain in the rear end, I guess you could say, is to keep it as clean as possible. I think we probably worked on this probably about a half hour on and off. We walked away from it, then literally went back there and it just like fell into place. And like I said, it was just a real bear. But again, like I said, I want to say thank you again, Gary. I could have done this by myself. You probably put me, I don't know, probably 5 or 6 months ahead of what I could possibly have done in just one day. I said I want to say thank you again. You guys out there, like, comment, subscribe below. Show your appreciation. Check his page out. That's Vwjawbreaker. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to him. Share his channel, and make sure, let's just try to get his subscribers up as high as we possibly can. He doesn't really care. He's a real humble guy, but he deserves a lot more than what his channel is actually giving him in return. So guys, like I said, I want to thank you guys again for all your loyalty, following, and there'll be some videos up in the future, so please stay tuned. And I'm just in a lot of pain from yesterday, but I'll tell you what, it was really worth it. So we'll catch you guys on the next video. You guys take care.